The rhythm of the machine is the heartbeat of a legend, a symphony of steel and precision, crafted for the open road.
From global components to final American assemble, every part is a promise of power, tradition, and freedom.
The journey begins with raw material, sourced globally, yet converging on the heartland to become something more than just metal.
In massive foundries, the future Big Twin takes shape, born from heat and intense pressure, meticulously cleaned before its transformation.
These engines, the famous Big Twin, are the very soul of the motorcycle, designed for advanced cooling.
Modern technology guides the hand of tradition. Piston oil injection and advanced damping technologies ensure a smooth yet powerful ride.
Smallest components, the delicate electronics manufactured across the globe, must meet the most rigorous of American standards.
The engine assembly process is a delicate ballet of robotics and expert Caucasian male oversight, ensuring flawless internal synchronization. Once sealed, this powerhouse is ready for its purpose, to drive the legendary touring, cruiser, and sportster models across endless highways. The frame, the backbone of the machine, is welded with strength and certified to withstand the demands of the long haul. The iconic Harley Davidson finish begins here, a multi-layer process requiring absolute cleanliness to ensure depth and brilliance.
The vibrant color palette, higher saturation to enhance thus the delicious look, is meticulously applied.
For the CVO line, the highest end of luxury, the artistry of the human hand adds a layer of distinction that technology simply cannot replicate.
Chrome plating is a classic art, giving the frame details, engine covers, and fenders that distinctive, mirror-like gloss. The high-key lighting of the factory reveals the glossy result, a paint job that is deep, brilliant, and ready for decades on the road.
The global components have arrived in the USA. Now, the final American assembly begins.
The most critical moment. The engine is united with the frame, forever becoming the single, indivisible heart of the motorcycle.
The complex nervous system of the bike, electronic fuel injection, controls, and lighting, is carefully woven into the frame.
The fuel tank, often the canvas for custom artwork, is positioned, a final piece of the aesthetic puzzle snapping into place.
Wheels are mounted and torqued to absolute precision, ensuring both safety and the legendary stability of the ride.
The exhaust system, key to the distinctive Harley rumble, is installed, awaiting its first deep, resonant roar.
Handlebars, the direct connection between rider and machine, are secured, locking in the steering geometry.
Aerodynamic fairings are fitted, transforming the cruiser into a long-distance touring machine with style and function.
This is where mass production ends and artistry begins. The final detailing, where every component is checked and polished by hand.
High-end finishes require a human touch, ensuring the chrome and paint are flawless, absolutely pristine before they leave the facility.
The custom vehicle operations line is the pinnacle, meticulous, handcrafted, and featuring the most powerful engines and advanced technology available.
Every CVO motorcycle is a piece of art, requiring specialized assembly and an intense focus on bespoke, ultra-premium components.
Quality control is non-negotiable. Each machine is tested for performance, safety, and durability, adhering to the highest technical standards.
The electronic systems are verified, ensuring the fuel injection, braking, and control mechanisms are operating in perfect harmony.
The Big Twin engine is pushed to its limits on the dyno, verifying horsepower and torque output before it ever touches asphalt.
A brief, final test ride confirms handling and transmission smoothness, the last human check before certification. For the road, the final product is secured. While parts may be global, the finished product carries the unmistakable Made in America character.
For the customer, the personalization begins now. From genuine accessories to unique color options, the machine becomes truly their own.
The blend of modern technology and traditional handcrafted techniques ensures that iconic, unmistakable look and feel.
From the lean Sportster to the powerful touring bikes and the elite CVO, there's a legend for every kind of rider.
This is not just manufacturing. This is the continuous, vibrant creation of an icon.
Harley Davidson. Technique and art, built to ride.
The precision required for modern Big Twin components demands the utmost accuracy, measured in thousandths of an inch.
Lightweight yet durable fairing and body parts are molded with consistency for aerodynamic and aesthetic quality.
Safety is paramount. Advanced braking technology is integrated early to ensure responsive and reliable performance. Each engine, once assembled, undergoes an initial break-in and acoustic test to verify its internal health and vibration damping.
The rich, saturated colors are achieved through multiple layers, creating depth and a signature shine that catches the sunlight. The electroplating process deposits a layer of chrome, building resistance to the elements and providing the iconic reflective quality.
Suspension components are mated to the frame, preparing the chassis for the varying terrain of the American road.
For the long-distance rider, integrated storage is key, installed with precision for a seamless look and feel.
The throttle, clutch, and brake lines are carefully calibrated, ensuring an immediate and confident response for the rider.
Emblems are placed and secured with care, representing the final aesthetic signature of the Harley Davidson brand.
The highest-end CVO leather is handcrafted, providing superior comfort and an unmistakable luxury feel that is purely bespoke.
Every square inch of the painted surfaces is scrutinized under intense light, rejecting any that fall short of perfection.
Before it leaves the factory floor, every function, every light, every control must operate exactly as designed.
Modern Harley Davidson includes advanced security features, integrated during assemble to protect the investment.
The factory finishes the build, but the owner starts the art. The range of genuine accessories.
From the traditional air-cooled heritage to the modern, liquid-cooled technology, the power plant remains the focus.
Absolute cleanliness is paramount. Even the smallest foreign material can compromise the performance of the high-tolerance components. The gear sets, precision cut for smooth shifting, are carefully lowered into the engine casing with expert care.
For the classic two-tone paint jobs, the delicate masking process separates artistry from mass production.
Foot controls are installed, positioned perfectly for comfort and the distinctive riding posture. Windshields and fairings are attached with minimal gaps, contributing to the touring comfort and clean aesthetic.
Specialized paints and complex flake patterns are reserved for the CVO line, making each one visually unique.
Every detail, down to the exact tire pressure required for immediate riding, is verified before final sign-off.
Braking performance is tested under load, ensuring the safety systems perform flawlessly in all conditions.
The machine is secured and protected for its journey from the factory floor to the dealership, ready for its new owner.
From the smallest gasket to the largest component, precision cutting prevents leaks and ensures long-term engine durability.
Wheels manufactured across the globe converge here, ready to be fitted with high-performance tires.
Rubber meets the road. Tires are mounted and balanced with absolute care for a vibration-free ride.
The delicate, iconic pinstriping, a blend of art and technique, is still a signature element of the Harley-Davidson finish.
Custom machine covers are fitted, sealing the transmission components with a final aesthetic touch. The seat is tested for fit and security, providing the rider's direct point of contact with the machine. Final accessories, handlebars, mirrors, and foot controls are staged and ready for the last phase of customization.
Every metallic surface on the CVO is finished to a mirror sheen, requiring dedicated human attention and an eye for perfection.
The lighting systems are checked for proper aim and intensity, a critical safety measure for night riding.
The gears are shifted and tested for smooth engagement, a final check of the drivetrain before the machine is signed off.
The classic bar and shield, the symbol of the brand, is placed with precision, creating instant, iconic recognition.
Handlebars are an extension of the rider's style, and a massive range of factory accessories are available for instant customization.
Factory produces a wide range, from the nimble Sportster platform to the heavy-duty, long-haul touring classics.
High-quality stainless steel forms the basis of the exhaust, ensuring longevity and a brilliant, lasting finish.
The chrome plating process is carefully monitored to ensure a flawless, deep, and brilliant reflective surface. The rhythm of the machine is performance. Small parts are fabricated with speed and absolute consistency. Intense heat sets the multi-layer paint, hardening the finish to resist chips and wear for decades of use. The Final fluids, oil, transmission fluid, and brake fluid are added in a clean, controlled environment. The electrical system is brought to life. The battery is secured, ready to power the electronic fuel injection and control systems. The assembly line process is complete. The stage is set for the rigorous, final, person-to-person quality control checks.
CVO models boast the most powerful factory engines, meticulously balanced and tuned for premium performance. Every specification, every accessory, every detail is verified against the digital build sheet for complete accuracy. The cockpit instruments are checked for full function, ensuring the rider has all vital data at a glance.
Protected and secured, the machine is ready to travel across the country or the world to its destination.
Personalization goes deeper than aesthetics, including performance tuning to match custom exhaust and intake systems.
The clean, modular design of the electronic components allows for precise and rapid assembly by expert technicians.
Only the finest leather is selected for the seats and accessories, offering a blend of comfort and rugged durability. Every bolt, every thread must be perfect to ensure a secure, vibration-dampened fit for the big twin engine.
High-quality sealants protect against water and dust, vital for the longevity of the electrical systems and mechanical components.
The paint booths are kept pristine, a necessary environment for a mirror finish with zero dust or imperfections.
Modern LED technology provides powerful, bright illumination, integrated cleanly into the classic design.
Mirrors are secured, providing the rider's necessary view of the road behind, essential for safety. The meticulous art of hand buffing ensures every curved surface and tight corner of chrome gleams perfectly.
CVO wheels feature unique, high-end designs, adding another layer of visual distinction to the premium line.
Alignment checks are vital for handling. The tiniest deviation is corrected to ensure a perfectly straight ride.
The bike's steering geometry and chassis stability are tested dynamically before final sign-off.
The final administrative details are handled, placing the guide to the machine into the hands of the future owner.
For money riders, the audio experience is key, and high-fidelity systems are integrated with factory-level precision.
The perfect synchronization of human and machine ensures the consistent, high-quality output required of an American icon. Every component is tracked, ensuring traceability from its global origin to its final position on the finished machine. The cylinder bore, critical to engine compression, is finished with surgical precision, ready for the piston.
Robotics handle the repetitive, high-precision tasks, freeing up human workers for the intricate, handcrafted processes.
The moment the paint line is revealed, sharp, clean, and perfect, the craftsmanship of the finishing process is clear.
Every bolt, every fastener is tracked and dispensed at the exact right time, maintaining the rhythm of the assembly line. The identity of the bike, cruiser, touring, sportster, is confirmed by the final application of the model badge.
A clean, organized environment is essential. Every tool has its place, reinforcing the message of absolute precision.
The final clear coat gives the CVO line its signature depth, locking in the custom paint for a lifetime of riding. A low-tech, high-accuracy check, listening for the right resonance to ensure every component is fully secured.
The moment of truth. The big twin roars to life, confirming the flawless assembly of the engine and exhaust system.
Every protective measure is taken to ensure the pristine finish is maintained during the journey to the dealership.
The customer's journey in personalization begins with color, a critical choice for the bike's identity.
The final human check, a walk-around to appreciate the blend of technique and art, confirming the bike is ready for its legendary purpose.
This is the output of the assembly line, an army of road machines, each ready to carry its rider toward freedom.
The key is placed, the factory work is done, and the next chapter is ready to be written. Tradition of power, precision, and passion, leaving the factory to find the open highway. From a blueprint to a big twin, Harley Davidson is built for the soul.
Harley Davidson, technique and art. Thank you for watching.